In this song, tutorial, play along, sing along, jam along, everything as part of our Christmas Extravaganza. That's right. You heard me right. Extravaganza. This one, we're going to be doing Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. Welcome to UKelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and I appreciate you being here. Do you know that we were giving away over 8 ukuleles? I say 8 because I know it's 8 for sure, maybe a couple more, but at least 8 ukuleles for this Christmas extravaganza, okay? You got to go sign up, though. We'll put a link below. And when you sign up, if you want to become a VIP, okay, VIPs get access to all the sheet music, all the backing tracks as well. Now, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is just join the Platinum membership. That's a new membership we have. If you join the Platinum membership, you get access to everything over on ukelikethepros.com, plus VIP access to all these challenges that we do right here on our channel. So anyway, check that out. All right, we got a lot going on. As I said, this is not just a Christmas tutorial song. This is not just a Christmas challenge. This is an extravaganza. We got songs, we got live sessions, we got giveaways, we got 8 different brands that are coming on to be a part of this Christmas thing. They're all bringing their artists. They're all bringing ukuleles to give away as well. So you got to sign up. Got to sign up. Become a VIP or a Platinum member for that. All right, this one, I'm just going to go over a little bit of it, and then we're going to play it with the backing track, which absolutely sounds killer, killer, killer. All right, so, and don't forget, this holiday season, if you need a gift for yourself or somebody else, probably a loved one, probably get your gift after the holiday season. But if you need anything, ukuleles, guitars, accessories, the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, check this out. Let's just talk about the rhythm here first. We're going to be in the key of C. I got a little intro here, just a little C to D minor to E minor to F. And I want to do this. All right, and all that is, go to C chord, down, up, mute. I'm doing that with the palm, up. That's 2 beats, and then D minor. Same rhythm, E minor to F. And then you do it again. Now, if you want to add a kind of little extra strum on that F chord, that's really cool because then it's going to take you right to the verse. Now, the verse, for the most part, is really just 4 chords, which is just C, A minor, D minor, G7, C, A minor. Now, if you're a jazzer, you know that progression is the 1 chord to the minor, 6 chord to the minor, 2 chord to the 5 chord, and you're going to be doing the same rhythm. Now, when the song starts, have yourself, that's your melody note right there, which is that C note. Now, a lot of this is very triad bass, so have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself, but that's not it, that's because of A minor chord. 3, and have yourself, there it is, a merry little Christmas. Now do it again. Let your heart be light. Now one more time. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. E7 to A7 to D7 to G7, and do the same rhythm right there. All right, now it goes back. That's like the first section, the first 8 bars, the A section. Now it's going to do it again. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. So a little different there from the D minor, then goes to E7. Now check this out. Bam. I threw this in for you. If that's too hard, I'll show you an easy way, but this is really cool. A minor 7 to A flat minor 7 to G minor 7 to C7. So if you're a beginner, don't worry, I got you covered. A minor, you can just go regular A minor. right to C7 if you want. That's kind of the easy version of it. Don't forget, VIPs, platinum members get all this stuff. If you want the sheet music, print it out, have it all with you, the chords, the strum pattern, all that kind of stuff. Okay, we'll put those links below. All right, now we're the next part in. Uh-oh. Woo! We're throwing the heat now, okay? F major 7, here we are in them. All right, to F minor 7. So here we are in them. E minor golden days, E flat diminished chord. Happy golden days, G7 of yore. All right, and that just gets the same rhythm we know. So dee da dee dee da dee da dee dee da dee da dee da dee. Whole measure here. Now check this out. And dee da. What was that? There it is, right there. So F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Here we are, faithful friends who are. All right, to B7. Dear to us, E minor A7. Gather near to us, A minor D7 once more. All right, so this second part, this is the bridge part of the C section. A little bit tougher. You're gonna go to that F sharp minor 7. Dee da dee dee da dee da dee dee da dee da dee da dee. Matt, change up that rhythm when you go into the last section here. How you doing? Leave a comment below. Okay, you're rocking it. You're rocking it. Great job. I'm proud of you. All right, last section is. Through the years, we all will be together, just like the beginning. If the fates allow. Hang a shining star across the highest. And then it's going to do that same walk down. Bow, A flat minor 7, G minor 7, C7. So this C section, this last section, is just like that second section that we did. All right, and then it has a little tag. And have you to thyself a merry little Christmas. And I'm going to tag it C, C such 4 and C. Or if you want to do like da, dee, something like that. You can do whatever you want at the end there, but it's kind of cool to add that C to C such 4 and then C. All right. Are you ready? We're going to do it with the backing track. It's a lot. That's why I said become a VIP. Get a platinum member. Get this stuff so you can print it out, have it in front of you. But what a great song. Great lyrics, great chord progression, great everything. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on now. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are in them olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star across the highest bough. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now. how did you do on that one? Leave the comment below. What a fantastic song. Not super hard, but a couple sections here I threw in there to kind of challenge you to make it really, really cool. If you need the sheet music, you like the backing tracks, okay, you can sign up a couple ways. One, become a VIP for this challenge that we got going on, or even simpler, become a platinum member. Platinum member, ukelikethepros.com. They get access to all the courses, all the live Q&As, and then they get VIP access to all these challenges that we do as well. So this is big. All right, we got a lot going on for this holiday season, a lot of songs. We got a lot of special guests coming up. We got a lot of giveaways as well. 8 ukuleles that we're giving away for this Christmas season. So I appreciate you being here. Smashing the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, all that kind of stuff. It really, really helps, and I truly appreciate it. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.